Hey guys, welcome to this radio video. Just a quick video explaining a little bit the solar activity in the past few days. We've been having really low solar activity in the past week, and actually, if you look at the propagation page, solar flux that is at 103 right now actually went down to 99 2 days ago, which is the lowest number I believe for this year, and I don't think since the beginning of the year that the solar flux actually went down below 100. I haven't checked the statistics, but I don't think so. So that's low actually, and wondering if we're not already going down the slope of the being past the peak of solar cycle 24. And it's a weak solar cycle because I mean we barely reached 200 in the solar flux, and I remember the last solar cycle that we had, cycle 23, sometime in 2000 2001, was giving us solar flux of 300 and 350, which is quite high. So that's a little low, but that will probably change here as we see this little video that I'll actually play here, showing that a explosion and a coronal mass ejection just left the sun yesterday, May 29th. So in that region where this activity is happening, seems to be coming, rotating to our side of the surface of the sun in about 2 or 3 days. So look for increasing solar activity actually, and that's going to be good. Hopefully not too many flares unless you enjoy watching the aurora borealis. So that's pretty much what it looks like, and just wanted to update if you're wondering why propagation's been kind of downwards in the evening, especially in the evening. And even in the daytime, I've tried one of the stations that comes in okay here, not very strong, but strong enough to listen to the program. Is Saudi Arabia has French from 14 to 1600 UTC. That's been almost impossible to receive. And in the evening, I've noticed that New Zealand, which is one of my favorites around midnight, just before I go to bed, was not as strong as usual. Usually with good solar activity and around midnight, New Zealand will go to S9 and even go into the red zone of my S meter will go into the S9 plus 10 or 20 from time to time. I listened to it not yesterday, but the 28th, and it barely made S5. It was audible. I could listen to the program, but it was not as good as usual. So shows you what solar activity can do. Also, the K index is to watch for those that don't know. This website, dx.qsl.net/propagation. You always want the K index to be the lowest possible. It's updated every 3 hours. Last update here is 12 hours UTC. Next one will be at 1500. We want this to stay as low as possible, below 2. 2 or below is the best. 3 or more is starting to affect propagation a lot. So that's pretty much what it is. Hopefully, here's the solar flux numbers. No, this is the not solar flux, but the sunspot numbers. See how it's been going down, 55 now, and so shows you how solar activity has been really low and flat in the past few days. So hopefully things are going to pick up and we'll have better propagation as the weekend arrives, and also maybe early next week, starting the month of June. So let's cross our fingers that things are going to improve. So thanks for watching. 73s.